Here at Cockburn John Charles Academy we have 5 key expectations.
We're expected to be positive, prepared, punctual, polite and to have pride.
Having these expectations ensure a positive learning environment around school.
Let's take a look around the school.
We also have 5 core values.
Our values are to be resilient, responsible, aspirational, independent and respectful.
We are taught to be resilient and to take up new challenges every day.
The students here are all responsible. We take responsibility for our attitudes and education. We also look after our fantastic facilities.
The teachers here help us to aim high. We all have different aspirations and the teachers here help us to achieve our goals.
We are taught the importance of independence. This prepares us for life after school.
Everybody in Cockburn John Charles, including students, staff and parents, treat each other with respect.
Now is a very exciting time to move up to the Cockburn John Charles Academy as we have recently joined the Cockburn Multi-Academy Trust.
The vision of the school is a transformation to excellence.
By joining the Multi-Academy Trust, we are able to build on our success and achieve our targets.
The teachers inspire us to achieve academic success.
They support us all through our unique journeys.
We have amazing facilities here in Cockburn John Charles Academy, including
The Performing Arts Studio,
the athletic stadium and equipment,
and the bridge where students go to get support.
This enriches our education and helps motivate us every day.
There are a vast number of opportunities with clubs such as music, PE, English, maths and many more. There really is something for everyone here.